Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Winters are around the corner and it's perfect time to start your winter vegetables. If you are a beginner in growing vegetables, then today's video is for you. Because we'll be growing radishes right from seeds today, and I'll show you the entire process with updates right from sowing seeds till harvest. So stay tuned. So to start with, you'll need to choose a deep pot or container for growing radishes. Now we'll see how to prepare its potting soil. You'll need to take 50% garden soil. That is the soil available in your area. It can be sandy soil, red soil, anything. But if the soil in your area is too hard or gets compact after watering, then mix 10% river sand into it, which will help in making the potting soil well drained and porous as well. And now you need to add 25% cocopeat. Cocopeat helps in retaining moisture into the soil for longer, and for root vegetables, your potting soil has to be soft, fluffy and airy so that the roots can grow easily, they can spread easily, and cocopeat helps in that. And now add 25% compost. Here I am taking vermicompost. You can take cow dung manure if available. So we took 50% garden soil. You can mix 10% river sand, 25% cocopeat, 25% compost. Mix it well. Now mix 2-3 handful of neem cake powder. It's a good natural pest repellent. Also, it's a great source of natural fertilizer, which helps in developing plants' roots. Mix everything properly and your perfect potting soil is ready. And now it's time to sow seeds. These are radish seeds, and sow them about ½ inch deeper into the soil and then cover it with a thin layer of soil. Water it well and keep your pot in full sun, and within 5 to 7 days you will see seeds will start germinating. If we talk about when to start growing them, monsoon till winters are the best time to grow them. However, October-November is the perfect time to start growing radishes. And interestingly, they get ready to harvest within 7 to 8 weeks only. Keep watering it on regular basis and make sure they are getting at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. If they won't get enough sunlight, the foliage or the leaves will grow, but the roots will remain small in size. And once they start forming the radishes or the root part, you can add some manure or compost at this stage also. And regular watering, again I'm saying it's very important. Make sure your plant doesn't get dried completely. You can water it alternate days, but the soil has to be moist all the time. But again, no over watering. And in about 7 to 8 weeks, you will see few radishes are ready to harvest. And when they are thick in size and leaves are big enough, that is the perfect time to harvest them.
Now we're going to harvest radishes from our garden.
Yes, let's go. So here in this tub, we have
Radishes!
Yes, many radishes I can see. Few are ready for harvest and few are yet to mature. So we'll harvest the matured ones now.
Let's go.
So it's time to harvest them. And Nakshatra, you want to try this one?
Yeah.
You just need to pull it out, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
Yes.
Looks nice to me.
Yeah. Try this one. This one.
Ooh. These are a bit hard.
Cool.
Wow.
If your soil is airy, fluffy and it's little moist, it's easy to harvest them. If the soil is really hard, then it becomes really hard to take them out from the soil. It's really hard to pull them out from the soil.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have few more.
Yep.
Yes?
Ooh, this one.
Yeah, take it out. Oh, this broke. No worries.
We still have more.
We have more?
Yeah.
Yes, I can see. Take out this one. Gently.
Gently, that's the one.
Wow, we got good harvest.
It seems like there might be.
Let's check out.
Oh, not this one.
Few more are there, but we'll leave them for a few more days. This one you can take out. Gently. Yes.
And this one.
No, this is too thin. It needs some more time.
Hey, what about this?
No. So for now we got 6 radishes.
Wow. This is amazing.
They are ready to be consumed. Just wash them properly. You can make mooli paratha, or you can, use them in salad. Even their leaves are used in salads.
Wow.
Yes. So you saw how easy it is to grow radishes. You barely need to, do anything when it comes to grow radishes. If you are a beginner in growing vegetables, start with growing radishes and other green leafy vegetables.
Like carrots?
Yeah, carrots are in season. So if you're planning to grow radishes, start sowing their seeds as well. So that's all for today, and I will see you soon with one more interesting video. Bye-bye.
Bye.